Hey, warm greetings. For those of you interested in learning the Muk Jon, here's some simple combination that you can try. So you want to make sure that you are an arm away from the Muk Jon. You open up. Now this combination is very simple. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got it? Okay, so let's do that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one more time. Don't worry about conditioning yet. We just want to get the motions down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Do it last one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So I might have forgotten a motion in there somewhere. And I didn't forget a motion. I miscounted. But let's do it one more time. At least you can get the motions itself. So we'll start from the beginning. Just start with the feet together. Open up. 1, 2. Make sure you're palm away here, right? Lower yourself into soft knees. So 1, got it. 2, 3. Notice the hand position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, got it. All right, let's do it one more time and then I'll let you go practice on your own. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll go on to the next section, but for right now, practice that.